Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're in Midjourney, and I'm going to show you the brand new, just released pan tool. You can pan up, down, left, and right, although up and down is often called tilting, but this is more of a pan. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's just an image of a bulldog reading a book, like they tend to do, and then watch this. You can now go, instead of just going zooming and varying, you'll see these 4 arrows right here. You can go ahead and pan. So when I clicked on this one here, you'll see here, this one for example says, if I zoom in, it says pan right, and then I click on the image, and then basically it moves the camera to the right, and it kind of interprets what could be on the right side. So the dog is a little bit pushed to the left of the frame, and then there's now another book with a lamp. This one down here, you'll see it's panned up, and when I click on it, you can see that now that there's a light and a book or two levitating in the air, like that tends to happen. And there you go. This is how you go ahead and do panning. I'll go /imagine, and I'll show you how to do it. And I'll just go dog reading. I'll hit enter. I'll let this one zip. When it's done, I'll show you the buttons in action, and we'll call it a day. All right, welcome back. So here we go. This is what dog reading looks like, and it gave us 4 pretty good examples. This bottom left one is of a bulldog. Look at this big chungus. Oh yeah, we're gonna go with big chungus. So what do? I would click on U3 to upscale it. That will go very, very quickly. Upscaling is done very, very fast. And then now, look, we've got very strong, very subtle, standard stuff. We have the different zooms. We can square it. And now we've got the 4 arrows to pan it. So in this case, I'm going to pan it to the right. You can go ahead and use the remix tool while you're here. So dog reading. And if you wanted to add something in, you can go ahead and do that. I'm just going to submit it. And literally, that is all there is to it. Thanks for watching.